Hello everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can fix the 100% usage of our CPU in our Windows 10 laptop or PC. So let's get started. Now please make a right click on your Windows icon and then go to Device Manager. Here in this window, we need to go and look for System Devices options. Once found, please click on it. And then here we need to look for High Precision Event Timer. And once found, again, please make a right click on it and then just click on Disable Device. Once you do that, the device will be disabled, and then we can now close this one. And now we need to go to Power Options. So on your Windows Search tab, please type Power. And you will get an option. Okay, so let's search for Power Options. Okay, so under Best Match, we have Edit Power Plan, so just please click on it to open. Let me just expand this one. Okay, so here we need to click on Change Advanced Power Settings. And just click on this drop-down button here. And whenever you see Adjust to High Performance options, please make a click on it, and then you can now click on Apply and just click on OK. Okay, so once done, let us go to our Task Manager. Please close this one. So please make a right click on your Windows icon and then go to Task Manager, or you can also do that by clicking on Control Alt Delete key altogether. So let us expand this one. And here we need to go to the Start App option. So what are you going to do here is to disable all the unnecessary apps that you don't want to be associated during startup. For example, you don't want ExpressVPN to be associated during startup. So all you need to do is just select it. Once selected, please make a right click on it and then just click on Disable button and it will be disabled. So just do the same with all the unnecessary apps during startup. And once done, please make a right click on your Windows icon and then just make a quick restart with your device or laptop. And you will see that when you go back to your device or task manager, you will see under performance that the CPU usage is way lesser than before or than earlier. Okay, so I hope that this video is helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.